Hi everybody, it's Tereese. I'm back today with another altered playing card. It's actually a altered flashcard today. I sat down this morning and created or crafted a little bit before I had to go into work, or I work from home, so um but normally I'm so busy that I don't get a chance to do anything. But don't mind my, how about that? So, well, that even looks worse. Um, so I am sharing a flashcard. This is November 7th. It's week 45 for hashtag Deck the Year, hosted by Penny at Penny's Crafty Creation here on YouTube. I will have her link down below and the hashtag in my title. So today I just took bits and bobs of things. This was an extra piece of paper. I'm working on my Thanksgiving cards. So I had an extra or a scrap paper that I added to the background. This teapot, oh not teapot, teacup set, I have a little container of die cuts, and I was just going through them and seeing what I saw, and I found this one. I don't know what die set this came from. I really don't. I don't even know who gave this to me. I think somebody gave the teacups to me, or I might have a die. I don't know. But I don't remember this pattern of paper. It's very, very cute. I used some lace, a scrap piece of lace on the bottom here, just to show like there's, like a tablecloth or something, and these cups are on. I added some trim, so I have, okay, I'll show you. Um, I have this container full of remnants, I should say, remnants of lace and trim and just all kinds of stuff. And I go through this first before anything, especially doing these artisan, well, it's not artisan, but ATCs, or this is a flashcard, as you can tell. This flashcard came from the Dollar Tree. I added another piece of trim on the second cup. I didn't add anything to the third cup because then, it just, you wouldn't be able to tell. Then I took a piece of sheer ribbon from that same box, and it was a teeny piece, but I made it into a bow. And I just love how that turned out. I went into, I have another container full of words and sentiments and things like that. And I picked out this time to have some fun and relax. So I just added it, and then I added some pink flat back pearls from this sticker sheet. This is like a remnant of a sheet, I don't even know where. So it had different size pearls. So I added it to the corner here to add some little bitty interest. And that is my altered flashcard for today. So I want to thank everybody for watching. Have a great week. It's Thursday, day before Friday. I cannot wait for the weekend. Oh my gosh. Yeah. So thanks everybody for watching. Have a great week, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye everyone.